Yeah, yeah. Gimingaw ko sa balay, sa lalaming luto ni mama. Naa'y bahong nga, nisaka, naglutong Adobo'ng manok. Kalami sa soya sa suka nga, aslom, kaayo. Naglawa'y na akong tiyan, nag-andam sa akong plato. Nangutana ko palihog, Duha ka serving sa kanon. Pero nitan-aw si mama, ugang iyang nawong magulanon. Niingon siya ng pag-kalma na ako'y problema. Wala na kay bugas, ma-ung maglalan na lang tao. Adobo'ng manok ani. Oh, naglalan na lang may adobo. Plain adobo, no rice to make it go. Kay wala'y bugas, paita ni pobrita. This is the ultimate Filipino dining disaster. Hala, mura kong nag-kaon o gulam nga nag-inusara. The flavor is too strong, it needs a rice. No carbs, just protein. This is a cruel, cruel joke. Paita ni pobrita, my heart is officially broke. The chicken is tender, the sauce is thick and sweet. I took a massive spoonful, but it felt incomplete. My mouth is watering, my tongue is on fire. But where's the foundation, the thing that I require? I looked inside the rice cooker, I checked the pantry shelf. Just 2 sacks of sadness. I had to ask myself, how can a beautiful dish, a national treasure, mind you, be treated with this disrespect? What are we gonna do? Naglalan na lang may adobo. Plain adobo, no rice to make it go. Kay wala'y bugas, paita ni pobrita. This is the ultimate Filipino dining disaster. Hala, mura kong nag-kaon o gulam nga nag-inusara. The flavor is too strong, it needs a rice. No carbs, just protein. This is a cruel, cruel joke. Paita ni pobrita, my heart is officially broke. Isapot na gyud ko, I am so frustrated. Ang akong gugma sa bugas, it cannot be debated. Dili ni adobo, kundi adobo nga hugod nga nagingong karon magdieta, bisag dili ta gusto. It's like a wedding without a bride, a guitar without a sound. Adobo with no rice is the saddest thing around. Mama, I love your cooking, but please hear my plea. Tomorrow buy 3 sacks for your baby and for me. Paita ni pobrita, say it again everybody. Naglalan na lang ni adobo until the next payday.